Here's how to make passport size photo in Photoshop. Go to your Photoshop and click on File, Open, and from your computer, open the photo. Then from the tool panel, select the crop tool. Click here and select this option. And here give 1.5 inch. And here give 2 inch. And then resolution give 200 pixel. And now you can crop your image just like this. Once you're happy, click on done. And now zoom in your project and unlock the layer. Go to select all and then click on edit. Here stroke, I'm giving 2 pixel width and selecting black color, clicking on OK. And then copy the image and go to File, New, select Photo and select this landscape 6:4 and here resolution give 200 pixels and click on Create. Here press Ctrl V to paste your image. Now hold down the Alt key and drag your image to make a copy. Now select double images, hold down the Alt key and duplicate your images just like this. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and easily print these passport size photos.